All right, it is Fried Chicken Friday, and we are here at Go Go Bird at Culver City, California. Inside this pretty cool place, it's called Citizen Market. So let's try it out. Go Go Bird. As you can see, it looks pretty good. All right, let's try this out. Thick breading on that. It's like a fish and chip style breading. This is gonna burn. That's good. That's different. The breading on this is, like I said, like fish and chips breading. Good quality chicken. Thick breading. Look at the steam coming off that thing. Really flavorful. Let's try this little jalapeno cheddar biscuit thing. That's good. This whole thing is good. Pickles are nice and fresh, refreshing. Cheddar biscuit's a little dry, but it's good. I'll eat those all day. And this chicken is fire. I'm a fan. I'm gonna have to go high on this. I'm gonna go 8.8. Go Go Bird, you did not disappoint. Check them out in Culver City. That's your review.